We see Bitcoin is running to 25k. So what are the next price targets? And if we are watching here in our Telegram group, which is absolutely for free, I wrote you today in the morning. I wrote you, no, this was even yesterday in the night. Yesterday, you see at 2 o'clock in the night, I wrote you next resistance 25, 380, 25, 829, 27,300, and one we already reached. So let us quickly watch. We already reached here 24,300. We're perfectly on internet's not here the best 24,300. You see, perfectly reached, and we saw here resistance, and then we bounced. And I want to see this daily closing above this red line, because this red line is a weekly resistance. You see here, this is a weekly resistance. Therefore, I want to see at least a daily closing today above it. And what I show you also in a second, my trade, I shared with you my trade here also, but I wanted to see also your trades, and it's amazing. I mean, you made amazing profits here. Why it's loading? Wow. Okay, you see, okay, someone has minus 100. Guys, why you took short? Everyone longed. Here you see 278%, 40% profits. Here you see 12% profits. Here you see this guy is crazy, 800, 140, 1,500% profits, 97% profits, minus 10%, 83% profits, 746% profits, plus 100% profits, and so on and so on. Congratulations, bratans. And I show you also my trade. Wait a second. Here is my trade. Or I show you maybe here it's even better. Then you have live trade. So here's one long position. This long position is right now 300% in profit. This basically I opened it when I wrote you in the Telegram group. I also opened $2,800 in profit, $45,000 in contract size. And another trade is here. Wait a minute. And another trade is here. This trade is right now 1,000% in profit, $18,500 in profit. So let us right now look where we are going right now. So because right now it's getting very interesting. In my opinion, like I told you, if in case we are closing here this daily clearly above this weekly, and I'm expecting it that we will close it above, then the next price targets are very clear. We have here this green resistance area. This green resistance area I can zoom out and show you. Maybe I go even on the weekly, then you see it better. This green resistance area is based on the past. You see here support and resistance, and 2020 was here support and resistance. So I expecting here the next price targets. Maybe we see here a little bit consolidation, because we are heavily overbought on all time frames. However, I expect next price target at least 25,700 or 20,800, and the next price target is this monthly resistance at 27,300. So another 11%. I expecting that we will go to the upside, right? So this is a big potential. And the real last price target for this relief rally is, in my opinion, around 35k. You see this white line, it's around 43%. I'm not sure if we will reach it, but at least I expect that we will reach 25,700. This is at least what I expect that we will reach. This white line, by the way, is coming here from, based also on the past. You see here support in 2020. It's a 2 years line, support and resistance. Here it was support and resistance. So at least it will turn into resistance. Why it's not a bull run? Because I mean, based on the past, if we are watching, I mean, first of all, if we are thinking about the big macro perspective, you have to see the big macro perspective. There's no reason right now for a bull run. Why? Because the inflation is still high. What we're expecting, like Michael Burry said, that the inflation will come down. What is also we see on the CPI, inflation is coming down. They will start at one point printing again money this year. It's expecting, and then we will see again the inflation spiking, and we will see the Fed will tightening even more. And they said they will tighten so long until really something break in the economy. So I don't expect, if we see the big macro perspective, that we are going right now on the bull run. The bull run will be between 2024 2025. This is what I have here from the insider information from other big investors and VCs. But that's, however, it's not a guarantee. You have to do your own research. And also, if we are watching here based on the past, if we are watching here on the previous bull run, we saw also what we saw on the previous bull run. We saw here spike, then we saw a big dump, then we bottomed out, then we saw relief rally, and then we saw another dump. And this dump I expecting happening in March. Why in March? Because Ethereum has a big update in March. And you know this, or how people say, buy the rumors, sell the news, right? I expecting here that Ethereum will pump. I expect that Ethereum will pump here another at least 48% to $2,500 at least, maybe even to $3,500, maybe even a 100%. And then I expecting that we will see again a big dump. So this is what I expecting here for Ethereum. And also I expecting that in March we could see a big dump, or in May, because May, you know, this on the Wall Street they say sell in May, go away, blah blah, all this shit. So latest in May expecting big dump. And this, by the way, also what Michael Burry expected for Q3, Q4. He expecting a another big dump. So however, we are right now on the run. I still expect that we will see the run go further. And what I'm watching, especially right now, because right now all the money is flowing into Bitcoin, but I'm expecting also, you know, our coins, FXS, AGIX, FET. I expecting all these coins to run. So let us here watch right now. And I told you about AGIX, you know, you remember when I told you about it here, AGIX, when it cooled down. Let me here, because maybe some of you say, oh, he's just speaking, but let me show you here. I exactly told you about AGIX here. Wait a minute. Oh, it's not loading here. This is really, internet is not so good here. Wait a minute. Where was it? It was, no, wait a minute. AGIX here. Here, yes. Here it was around 41 cents. And I told you that these are the potential pumps in the next days. AGIX could go to all-time high over 60%. And right now we see AGIX 45%. So if you bought here, when I told you, wait a minute, it's loading. It was at 41 cents. I told AGIX, I spoke about AGIX, I think when it was around 11 cents even in our Telegram group. I tell you how to join it also. But even if you bought it here right now at 41 cents, you still made already around 10% profit. And I'm still expecting that AGIX will have another run to 67 cents. So at least 60%. It's not a financial advice. Do your own research. But yes, I even in our private group, we have another group, private group for professional investors or for experienced investors. I even here on this, what was this? Wait a minute, this was a daily support. I bought here even. I mean, if you are in our private group, you made even right now 32%. So this is amazing, Bratan. So watch out for AGIX. And another coin which we are closely watching is Frex share. You know, we're speaking also about Frex since $5, I think $5-6. I mean, we made here a fortune. I mean, if we are watching here from $5 till right now, it's 93%, till all-time high. We made even 150%. But what we're expecting here, we're expecting from from FXS, we're expecting that FXS, because when Bitcoin will go into consolidation, we're expecting that altcoins will run, right? Because all the money go right now into Bitcoin. So I'm expecting here that Ethereum, FXS will go to $17. So this is around 50%, another 50%. Do your own research. It's not a financial advice. And how you can join this Telegram group, it's absolutely for free, Bratans. Let us here, I show you quickly. Here, there are basically two steps. You make a registration on Bybit through my link. Deposit $500 on your Bybit account. You can do it. You can invest in crypto. You can transfer it back to your account. What do you want? And then you get free access to my Discord and Telegram channel. And on the Discord channel, you can also get a free crypto trading course for beginners and for advanced traders. So you can do whatever you want, Bratans. It's absolutely for free, how you want. We have another group which is more for advanced traders. It's for $30 monthly fee. Right now for $30 monthly, we will increase it because you have live session with the teacher which you can ask questions. You have much more altcoins, hidden gems. You have report with several pages about new altcoins. So this more for advanced traders, for beginner, this is enough. So thank you everyone for watching. And what I'm doing here with my big trade, which is $18,500 in profit, and with this second long, which is $2,800, $2,900. Oh, it's pumping, $2,900 in profits right now. This I tell you in the Telegram group as soon as I may be adding to the position or closing. I see you there. Thank you everyone. I kiss you and see you later. Mwah.